Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Chill English channel. I'm Sophia, and I'm happy to guide you through simple Christmas phrases today.
I'm Jake, and it feels great to be here with you as we explore friendly and easy language you can use in holiday conversations.
Many learners feel unsure when people start talking about Christmas, so we want to help you feel calm and ready with clear examples.
Christmas comes up in small talk, at work, in school, and while traveling, so having a few short lines prepared can make things easier.
Let's start with a simple line. I celebrate Christmas with my family. This gives people a clear idea without needing long details.
If you want something more open, you can say, my family has some small Christmas traditions we enjoy every year.
When someone asks about your plans, try short lines like, we cook a big meal, or we open gifts on Christmas morning.
These answers work well because they feel warm, friendly, and easy to understand without any complex words.
If you want to describe atmosphere, try saying, I love the lights and music during this season, which sounds natural and calm.
Another line you can use is, the holiday mood feels cozy, which helps you share your feelings without long sentences.
Talking about decorations is simple too. You can say, we put up our tree in early December, and people understand right away.
If you enjoy giving gifts, you can say, I like choosing small presents for the people I care about. It's clear and gentle.
Simple words like tree, lights, music, and family are perfect for holiday chats, and you don't need anything more.
To share your plans, you can say, I'm visiting my parents, or I'm staying home this year. Both lines feel natural and easy.
If you want to mention activities, try I watch holiday movies, or I listen to Christmas songs in the evening.
Food is another friendly topic. You can say, we bake cookies, or we make a special dinner for Christmas. Both are simple lines.
To talk about memories, you can say, I remember decorating the tree as a child, which feels warm and personal.
If you want to stay general, you could use, my family has some traditions we still enjoy, which fits many conversations.
Learners who don't celebrate Christmas can still join the topic with, I enjoy the winter decorations in my city.
Or they can say, I like the peaceful mood during the holiday season, which feels open and comfortable for many situations.
When talking with friends or coworkers, you can ask, do you have any plans for Christmas this year? It's friendly and simple.
That question opens a conversation easily and helps you connect without needing advanced words or long sentences.
Practicing these lines slowly builds confidence and helps you develop a natural rhythm that works in real conversations.
Even a few short phrases can help you join holiday chats, and using them often makes you feel comfortable quickly.
These simple expressions give you a calm way to talk about Christmas and enjoy friendly conversations during the season. All right now, let's keep exploring Christmas language in a relaxed and practical way so you can use it comfortably in real conversations.
Many learners understand the basic phrases, but they want more examples that help them talk about activities, traditions, and simple details.
A helpful idea is to describe small actions. You can say, we light candles in the evening, which adds a calm and warm image.
You can also talk about timing. A short line like, we start decorating in early December, helps you explain your routine clearly.
If you want to talk about gifts, try, I choose simple presents for my family, which feels friendly and easy to use anytime.
Another clear option is, I wrap my gifts with colorful paper, which gives a simple picture and works well in everyday chats.
Many people enjoy talking about food during Christmas, so you can say, we bake sweet bread, or we make a warm holiday soup.
If your family cooks something special, try, we prepare a dish we only eat once a year, which works even without naming the food.
When talking about traditions, you can use simple lines like, we take a walk after dinner, or we watch a movie together.
Memories also fit well. You might say, I remember helping my parents decorate the house, which feels natural and personal.
If you want to ask someone about their traditions, use, do you do anything special for Christmas? It's open and friendly.
And if you want to keep the conversation going, try asking, what part of Christmas do you enjoy the most? Simple and effective.
You can also practice talking about your feelings with easy lines, such as, this season makes me feel calm, or I feel happy at home.
Short emotional expressions help you sound more natural, and you don't need big words to share how the season feels to you.
Some learners enjoy describing the setting around them. So you can say, my city has bright lights everywhere, which paints a clear image.
If you travel during Christmas, you can use, I visit my relatives every year, or I stay in my hometown for the holiday.
Exercises can help too. Try saying 3 short sentences about your Christmas routine, keeping each one simple and clear.
Or choose one activity you enjoy and describe it in one line. This practice helps you stay confident and focused while speaking.
Another exercise is to answer a basic question like, what do you do on Christmas Eve? Using one calm and friendly sentence.
These small tasks train you to speak naturally, and they also help you build useful phrases you can use in many situations.
You can even practice with a partner by asking each other about plans or traditions using the short lines we shared today.
Keeping things simple is the key, and even small phrases can make your conversations feel warm, clear, and enjoyable.
And as we move forward, we'll bring everything together so you can use these ideas smoothly when talking about Christmas. Let's take all the ideas we explored and shape them into a smooth way of speaking that helps you talk about Christmas with calm confidence.
The most helpful habit is mixing short facts, simple feelings, and clear details, because this combination makes your speech sound natural.
For example, you can talk about your plans with a gentle line like, I spend Christmas Day with my family, which feels warm and simple.
If your plans change from year to year, you can say, some years I travel, and some years I stay home, which keeps things flexible.
Feelings are easy to express with short lines like, this season makes me feel peaceful, or I enjoy the warm atmosphere at home.
You can also talk about little moments, such as, I drink hot chocolate in the evening, which adds a friendly and personal touch.
Describing activities is another great skill. You can say, I watch a holiday movie every year, or I play music while decorating.
If you want to sound smoother, connect ideas with simple words like and, also, and then, because they help your story flow.
You might say, we cook dinner, and then we light candles, which feels calm and easy for almost any level of English learner.
Traditions can be shared with lines like, my family keeps a few habits that make the season special, which works in many situations.
If you want to talk about memories, you can use a soft line like, I remember helping my grandmother bake cookies, which feels warm.
And if you want to keep memories general, you can say, I have many small moments from childhood that make Christmas feel special.
Asking questions is one of the best ways to keep a conversation alive. You can ask, what do you enjoy most about Christmas?
Or you might ask, do you have a favorite Christmas memory? Which invites a friendly and comfortable answer.
If someone tells you about their plans, you can follow up with a simple question like, who do you spend the day with?
You can also ask, do you cook something special? Which helps the conversation grow without needing advanced vocabulary.
When practicing alone, choose 3 phrases from this episode and repeat them slowly until your voice feels steady and natural.
Another helpful exercise is recording yourself speaking for 1 minute about your plans, because this shows your rhythm and progress.
After recording, listen for smoothness and clarity, not perfection, because small improvements create strong habits over time.
You can also practice by describing one simple Christmas moment from your life using just 2 or 3 short sentences.
For example, you could say, I wake up early, I enjoy breakfast with my family, and we open gifts together, which is simple and clear.
If you want to challenge yourself, try adding one detail to each sentence, such as a color, a sound, or a feeling.
You might say, we open small gifts near the bright tree, which adds a calm picture without making the sentence complicated.
Another technique is thinking about your senses. You can talk about smells, sounds, or colors to make your speech more vivid.
For example, you can say, I love the smell of cookies baking, or I enjoy the soft sound of music in the background.
These details help your listener imagine the moment, and they also make your English sound natural and comfortable.
Many learners worry about vocabulary, but simple words like lights, songs, cookies, and family are more than enough.
You don't need to use big or rare words to sound fluent. Clear, calm language is often the most effective in real conversations.
To stay relaxed, focus on short sentences that express one idea at a time, because this keeps your speaking steady and clear.
With practice, you'll feel confident sharing your plans, your traditions, and your feelings about the Christmas season.
If our lessons help you learn more easily, remember to comment and subscribe so you can stay connected with the channel.
Your comments help us understand what topics you enjoy, and they guide us as we create new episodes for your learning journey.
Keep exploring these Christmas phrases and let them support you in warm and friendly conversations throughout the season.
With simple steps, steady practice, and a calm mindset, your holiday English will grow naturally and feel more confident each day.
And as you keep using these expressions, you'll find that talking about Christmas becomes not only easy, but also enjoyable and fun.
Stay curious, keep practicing gently, and enjoy every moment of your English learning during this bright and friendly season.
You're doing great, and these small steps will help you build a natural voice that fits every holiday conversation you join.